Welcome to How to Decorate a School Locker. We've now gone through 6th and 7th grade locker decor, and I will walk you through how we handled each year, as they were slightly different. As you can see, her 6th grade locker was super tiny. It was basically the size of a cubby, so there was not a lot of room to work with. We purchased a locker kit, which was fantastic because it came with everything that we needed, and all we did was install it. It comes with the locker paper, the magnets, a dry erase board, a pen, a little cup for the dry erase pens, as well as a mirror. So we just installed it. The paper just went on the back side of the locker walls, and the magnets was what was holding it in place. Now the only thing I would have done differently is, rather than just using the magnets to hold the paper in place, I would use double-sided tape to make it lie a little bit flatter. But otherwise, super simple. So in 7th grade, they got much larger lockers, more of your standard vertical locker, and so therefore she wanted to take advantage of the space and decorate it in a different way. So these are the things that you'll need. You'll need contact paper or wrapping paper, or even locker paper, scissors, box cutters, locker shelf, maybe a locker light or other locker decor. Alexa wanted to use this marble contact paper, which is just like something that you would use in your shelves to line the shelves. It has a sticky back, so it's like a giant sticker. All you need to do is measure it out for your interior and then cut the paper to size. Now, it is a little bit challenging because it's not going to be easy to make it sure that it lies flat. And of course, she is super OCD and was having a little bit of a meltdown with all of the bubbles, but really that's what the box cutter is for. Once you have it lined up, you can use the box cutter to pop the air that is causing the bubbles and then smooth it out. That was seriously the hardest part. It would be a lot easier to just use locker paper or wrapping paper and double-side tape it onto the back side of your locker. She installed a pendant light to the top of her locker and a locker shelf, and voila, we are done. Here's a picture of the after. It just adds a little personality, so it's a lot more fun to open up your locker to see something that matches what your personal taste is versus just a metal plain background. To make it easy, I've created a Decorate Your Locker kit, which is linked in the description box below, and you'll be able to purchase everything that we have talked about in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment. And share this with a friend who might need a little bit of locker decor inspiration. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks again from A Day in the Life of AlAndAl.com.